Hi, it's Dr. Matt Harkness with Allied Physical Therapy Wellness Community, where our mission is to get you back to what you love without surgery and without medication. So this is the second video of our three-part video series on travel and being having the right tools. So today we're talking about essential items you should bring on your road trip. So I've got my lovely daughter here, Isabel. How are you doing, Isabel?
Good.
Good. So we talked a little bit about our trip to Louisiana last time, and so we went to the French Quarter in Jackson Square. So what is something that you enjoyed about going into the French Quarter in Jackson Square?
The beignets.
The beignets. They were really good with powdered donuts, sugar on them, and they were really awesome. Well, that was a great memory. We'll have that forever, and I'm so glad we were able to take that road trip together. So you, of course, being post-COVID and getting out there this summer, I know that you're really excited about getting back into normal life and taking a trip. So the essential items that we are talking about today that you really should have in your car, and I confess, I previously did not have these, but my wife has put these in the car, and it's very important. We have a first aid kit, also a flashlight, and we also have a little fold-up safe step stool, so if we need to get on top of the car or even simply wash the windshield when we get all the love bugs on them, it's good to have something that we're not potentially trying to reach too high and injure ourselves. Another important thing that she has is a bag just in case you get stomach sick and you have to throw up. And trust me, we have had that happen without a bag, remember? Aaron had a chicken parmesan sandwich and he threw up all over the car! Okay, so yes, remember to bring these items on your road trip and visit our website, alliedpt.com. We have lots of great information in there and ebooks to download. You can find all about us. We have an incredible team. So also, if you have any needs in terms of muscle pain, joint pain, back pain, balance difficulty, vertigo, incontinence, pelvic pain, jaw pain, give us a call and we'd be happy to help you. Be sure to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe there, Instagram, Facebook, and also keep an eye on our construction of our new building. And we broadcast 7:50 a.m. on Monday mornings. Thank you, Isabel, for being with me today.
You're welcome.